Welcome to the COS 33 presentation for the SAP Certified CS301 Multidimensional Report add-on for real estate management. Over the next few minutes, you will discover the functionalities of the add-on. It provides you with a single view of all real estate usage objects and contract master data, vacancy information, conditions and measurements, cash flow, open item data, and related business partners. By the end of this presentation, you will come to realize that this add-on is a perfect tool for spontaneous reporting and data extraction. Above the row of tab pages, you can enter a specific date or period for which you want to run the report. Entering a report can be useful to get the history of the vacancy. The period specified will also be used in the CS301 add-on to aggregate the cash flow. Firstly, you can select which data is to be shown in the list. The report allows you to select rental objects by type or occupancy status. The next step is to select specific attributes for each of the real estate objects. For example, a selection by description, person responsible, system status, and user status. These selection options can be easily enhanced with standard fields or with your own customer fields. The selection options for the address fields are the same for each real estate object. The second tab provides the selection options for the contract. Among other things, you can filter contracts by type or by status. Below the adjustment rule selection option, you can enter selection values under posting parameters, term, renewal, or notice. Now let's go to the Partner tab page, which contains 3 blocks. The first block is useful if you need to generate a report for all objects related to business partner and his or her role, such as administrator. The second block is reserved if you need to select contracts by main partner or even customer or vendor number. If you need the list to include the master data of business partners related to the real estate object and contract. In the third block, you can choose up to 4 business partner roles and their types. In the fourth tab, just set the flag here if you need the cash flow value of the condition types or to aggregate it for the period from to. Below, 3 options can be set so that the report includes complementary data such as adjusted conditions, master data used for adjustment, balance of open items including Dunning level balance. On the 5th tab page, the Multidimensional report offers you free selections. In the first block, you can select contracts based on their condition currency. In the second block, you can enter 2 condition groups. In the block below, you can set parameters to prepare up to 2 statistic values, for instance, price per square meter. In the last block, you can spontaneously create your own columns of condition values and measurement values. At this point, we can summarize the conditions and the measurement aspect of this report. The remarkable feature of the CS301 Multidimensional report is that it offers the possibility of extracting or reporting up to 21 conditions and up to 8 measurements in columns. In the Output tab page, you decide in which form you want to present the results. By default, the report runs in the foreground. You can select an Excel template in the parameter below. The CS301 provides an interface to extract data into the Excel template. Enter the recipients here before running the background processing to ensure that you are informed by email when the run is finished. Finally, to improve the performance, the CS301 Multidimensional report can be run in parallel processing. After this overview of the selection options, it's now time to discover the output versatility of the CS301 Multidimensional report. As you can see, we are getting information on the business partner, business entity, building, property, rental object, calculation object, vacancy or occupancy, contract, terms, adjustment data, rental object conditions, contract conditions with tax values, measurements, statistics, finance data like customer number and the balance of open items by Dunning level. Over 900 fields can be chosen according to their group. In each field on the list, you can double-click to reach the location where the data is maintained. For instance, the customer master data, the open item, the contract, the rental object. To demonstrate the use of the Excel template interface, just click here to get the result in an Excel sheet. After the foreground, we will now experience the result by running the report in the background according to a specific period of time. We want the result as an ALV list, and the user COS33 set should be informed as soon as the result is provided. Let's start the multidimensional report in the background. Great! We are notified by an SAP mail, and we proceed to display the result. By just making a click here, we are redirected to the ALV list, where we can proceed with any of the ALV list functions like the drop-down, or by choosing another layout. At last, we will experience the functionality of extracting the data and sending it as an attachment to an email. You can enter addresses of the recipients here. Let's start the multidimensional report in the background again. Great, the email just came in. Let's see what's in the attachment. Beautiful. We get the extracted data exactly in the same form as your ALV variant. The overview of the SAP certified add-on is now finished. I hope you could appreciate the benefits of the CS301 multidimensional report and the integrated function to extract the data. The implementation is easy and fast. You simply import the solution into your system and can begin using it immediately. Thank you very much for your time. It was a pleasure for me to share this with you. Please don't hesitate to contact us.